I have this amazing pots and pans set, 10 pieces. I'll go through it right now. We got this silicone spatula. We got these 2 frying pans, both non-stick. All these are non-stick, so anything you're cooking, don't even need to add oil. I've tested it out. Comes right off every single time. So now you have 2 sets of lids. You got the big saute dish here. It's great for stir fries. And that lid belongs on here. This lid also belongs right on top of this bigger frying pan. So you can use it on both. You have the smaller lid, which goes onto the soup pot here. Very nice and deep for that. So that goes on this one. Or you can put it right onto the frying pan. Works just as well. And then finally, you have the last 3 items here. You got your soft dish, which I usually just make any gravies or anything like that out of there. Or you put some water in the bottom, add the veggies on top in the steamer here, put the small lid on top, let it boil, and you got some steamed vegetables. Now these are white granite, very tough, easy to clean, and non-stick, which is the best part of this. Thank you for joining us today on Max Production. I hope you found this review insightful and informative. If you did, please consider subscribing, hitting that like button, and turning on notifications so you don't miss out on future reviews. As always, for more details on the products featured in this video, check the description down below. Your support means a lot, and I can't wait to see you in the next one.